Hello, it's Marine for Hello Bluebird. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you the last card I've made for the September 2019 release. It features the Spooky Speller stamp set and the Boo to You words die, and it's an Infinity Shaker card, and it was inspired by Nikki from the design team. But before watching the process for this card, let's just quickly recap the other projects I made for this release. So first we have this pumpkin patch card featuring the Pumpkin Time stamp set. We have this cute girl and these lovely kitties from the Tabitha stamp set. I shared a video for this one. We have those cute guys from the Little Hunters stamp set. You can check the video as well to see how I made this night sky. We have this textured card showcasing the Fall Banner Buddies stamp set as well as the Thankful for You die set. And finally, we have another Bright Autumn card featuring some cuties from the Onuts stamp set, and I also used the Oak Tree Scene die set. My cards are just a sample, so feel welcome to check the design team Instagrams and Facebook page for more inspiration. I will leave the links below the video. So back to today's cards. I cut a square panel out of Strathmore Bristol cardstock and covered it entirely with cracked pistachio oxide ink. Next, I added peacock feathers that I blended towards the center of my panel. I applied black soot on the edges. And I came back with peacock feathers to blend the colors nicely. I splattered water that I dried using a paper towel. I also added drops of peacock feathers all over the panel. And finally, I mixed black acrylic paint with water and splattered drops on the edges of my panel. Next step was to color the images. I stamped them on Nina Solar White cardstock using Memento Tuxedo Black ink and colored them using my Spectrum Noir markers. When the coloring part was done, I added white highlights on the images and cut them using the coordinating dies. Next, I used the coordinating dies to cut the letters to form the word happy and glued them on the signs, as well as the little hats. I used my tweezers to make it easier. I took a plastic pouch measuring a tiny bit more than my panel and put my panel inside. I folded the flap using my bone folder to get a nice fold. I removed the back of the tape and applied another strip of tape just to make sure it will be perfectly secure. Before closing the pouch, I put the candies inside as well as various sequins. I die cut the words Boo to You twice, one out of black glitter cardstock and one out of vellum, and I layered and shifted both pieces. Next, I stamped the word Halloween on black cardstock using clear embossing ink. I applied white embossing powder on the ink, heat set it using my heat tool, and I used the banner die to cut it. I applied strong double-sided tape at the back of this banner and stuck it down at the bottom of my panel. And next, I adhered my images using the same tape. Finally, I attached my pouch panel on a black card base. And this is the final result. As a very last final touch, I applied glossy accents on the letters. I hope you will give this technique a try because it's definitely the easiest way to create shaker cards. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!